Welcome back. I'm gonna show you the cream part that I'm gonna make for my simple Italian cake. So here I have already beat the sugar and the egg yolks. I'm gonna use the egg whites for a meringue for the top, so that'll be different. I did that. I'm putting it in the saucepan, and I'm gonna turn on the saucepan to a simmer. And here I'm going to add the butter. So this recipe does not tell me when to put stuff into, what to beat together, what not to beat together. And so I'm assuming this is coming next. Maybe not. I do need to add the 2 cups of milk. And I've already put the vanilla in with the sugar and yolks. Maybe that was wrong, I don't know. But I'm gonna go ahead and just put that to a simmer. So we have, the cake looks good, it's still in the oven. And I'm gonna melt this butter in this saucepan and then add. So we're also gonna put 3 tablespoons of cornstarch here. Again, I have a recipe that just gives me what goes into the cream. There's vanilla, cornstarch, butter, and the butter and the milk, it really doesn't tell me when everything is supposed to go together. So I actually just creamed the sugar and the yolks first until it was a lighter color, nicely creamed, and then added in the vanilla. Just put the vanilla into that mixture before putting it into the saucepan. And if it doesn't come out right, I can always do this again. I have all the stuff for it, and but I don't think this is gonna be, I'm just melting in that butter. So I have a few more minutes in with that cake. I don't wanna open the door just yet. It is a sponge cake. I'm gonna melt this butter in. And then I'm gonna take the cornstarch, 3 tablespoons. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, cornstarch in. Let me put that in, mix that in. So I believe I have everything in except for the milk. So I've got my sugar, my cornstarch, the egg yolks, the butter, and the vanilla. So I'm gonna mix in this cornstarch. I have about 5 more minutes with this, oh, it's looking really good, with the sponge. So you're probably wondering, oh gosh, she's always in workout clothes. Well, in about half an hour, I need to teach a class, and I wanted to get this done before I started my class. So I will assemble it after my class, and you can come back and join me. So this cornstarch is in here. Get this nicely mixed in. Let's add, it's a little bumpy on the bottom. I want to make sure it's nice and smooth. I'm going to add in some of the milk. Take this off. I don't like using spatulas to stir. I prefer the wooden spoons. So clean out this wooden spoon nicely. Okay. Let's stir this. So we're gonna stir this until it gets nice and thick, over simmering stove, over the simmering, and then I'm gonna add in my milk. So these will be the cream. The vanilla cream is gonna go in between the sponge. So I'm gonna cut the sponge, put the vanilla cream in, And just keep stirring until this thickens up. So this is not thick whatsoever. I'll just keep this stirring. Make sure I get all the chunks underneath. I just get it in here. I want it nice and smooth. So I will be back with the cream and the cake with my toasted sliced almonds already. So I usually toast the almonds no more than 5 minutes. You just want to keep track of it. I lay them out on a sheet, baking sheet, and toast them. I'll show you how I assemble it. I'll also make my meringue for the top. So I'll have a white meringue on the top. This is going to be a slightly different. I'll have my toasted almonds to decorate all around the cake and some on top. And I have some strawberries, so I'm going to put the strawberries on top as well, on top of the meringue. Should be good. And of course, layering my rum. So this time with the rum, I'm not going to just lay it straight on the sponge cake. That's usually what we do, is lay the rum straight on the sponge cake. But I want to make a simple syrup of sugar and water first, putting that rum in there. Not a lot, just a little bit, and then layering that water, and then that rum in there, and then I'll put the simple syrup, rum syrup on each layer. And usually I can cut the sponge twice, so having 2 layers of this cream in between. And then I actually place the cream on the outside to lay my toasted almonds. And you'll see how I do that. All right, well, I've got to keep stirring here. I have a class in about a half an hour, so I hope this thickens up before the class. Teach my class, and I'll be back to assemble this Italian cake, la torta italiana. Ciao.